These are the wires coming from the taillight, and this is actually the original connector that I'm using. If you watch the other video, it will show how I installed that. So black and yellow, which is the brake light, is going to go to green. Black and white as the running light is going to go to red, and black ground is going to ground to the other black wire. And in between that, we're going to install the LED plate light. So white positive to the running light, which is black and white, and black ground to the black. So I'm going to get the black ground wire from the tail light and the one from the license plate, put them together, put a heat shrink over them. Now connected to the stock connector. Now we have all three black wires connected, all the ground wires connected, from the bike to the tail light and from the bike to the LED light. Put the heat shrink over it and heat it up.